Welcome to Purely Natural Remedies. Today, I'm sharing a quick and easy natural recipe that's been praised for its potential to improve vision. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants that support eye health, reduce eye fatigue, and may even help slow down age-related vision changes. Here's what you'll need. Fresh carrot juice. 1 tablespoon. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for good vision and protecting the eyes. Aloe vera juice. 1 teaspoon. Aloe vera isn't just for your skin. It's loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your eyes. Honey. 1 teaspoon. Honey is naturally antibacterial and packed with antioxidants, making it great for eye health. Lemon juice. 1 teaspoon. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which helps maintain healthy blood vessels in your eyes. Simply mix all these ingredients in a small bowl until well combined. Take this mixture every morning on an empty stomach. It's a simple, natural way to support your eye health. And that's it. Give this recipe a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural remedies.